Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just gonna take a look at this little sort of shopping precinct off Avenida Mediterraneo. Just got the casino there. Before I start, I reckon Benidorm's going to the old biddies. Everywhere I've been so far today, there's been like tons of mobility scooters, and the problem with some people on mobility scooters is one, they're utter ignorant beeps, and two, they don't know how to drive them. Maybe. No, I'm not including you, Sue. I'm just meaning other people that could see you trying to get past you, that keep blocking you off. Butterfield's there, and the main scooter rental shops in Benidorm at the moment. Probably the biggest one as well, owned by Ben. Show on there, past the nail place. Of course, you got Tattoo Central there, my favourite tattoo shop, one of the best tattoo shops in Benidorm, I'd say. Got Butterfield's number 2 here as well, the fancier Butterfields. Over the back there as well, you've got the service centre. On about this Butterfields, it's where I saw Mashtag a couple of weeks ago. And of course, me being me, I didn't realise it were him. Probably because he were lay on his back, not because he were drunk. Because he tipped over me mate's mobility scooter, which, yeah, didn't really go to plan. Anyhow, nice little cafe area there, nice little grass area. Going to cut back off down on the Ment now. Got Feet's bar pies there. Best place to go for the fish peddies. Go pop in and see our mate Pedro. He's absolutely amazing, guys. Like, does foot massages as well, and he is so gentle. And I've lost me bodyguard. Anyway, yeah, as I was saying, he does foot massages, and he's just so gentle, like he just doesn't do it rough for me. Ask Sue, how good are Pedro's foot massages?
Excellent. It's the only one I allow to touch my feet.
There you have it. Show you the price. I think it's gone up a bit since last time we went. Mind you, he has been struggling a bit because now everywhere does a fish peddy, but €8 for 20 minutes, not too bad. Quite often you will get a bit longer because he may just go off over the cafe for a can of San Miguel or something. Nice little offer here, fish peddy for 20 minutes. Plus a 5-minute massage, foot massage at €12. Bargain. Anyway, gonna head back down the Avenida Mediterraneo now. Take a nice walk down. Got all the gift shops open as well. Then of course the front of Butterfields. I will show you as well on today's vid where the second tattoo central is. There are two of them. One's like slightly bigger than main sort of one, but there's also another one slightly smaller. Sometimes that's maybe where that may be where you go sometimes, depending on like what artists you have got. I will say one thing though, whoever you get, they are very talented. They do take great pride in all of their work. So you won't be leaving disappointed. So the other Tattoo Central place isn't really too long a walk. Got a new tattoo shop back there. Maybe have to have a look at there one of the days. I want to try a few more tattoo shops around here. I know you think, well, you'd be trying the one you normally go to, but I just like to try different ones, so like I can sort of give you reviews on them, say like where to go when you're staying here. There's the other Tattoo Central just up here. Great place. I've still yet to try a tattoo shop in Benidorm Old Town. That's something I haven't done yet, and I think probably would be a good idea to have a look into that, see what tattoo shops are actually in Benidorm Old Town, because if you are staying in Old Town and you're wanting to get a tattoo, then you're probably not wanting to tramp all the way like right down the Rincon end just to get it. Then not tramp all the way back with it wrapped up, your legs sweating and your tattoo potentially getting ruined because it is white in the sun. Anyway, hit the like guys, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.